as a challenge in my film career because it is uncommon in the field, which I wanted to show some uniqueness and give a proper impact when I'm doing it. Well, villain character is also the art acting, which is within the artist individual. Where for me, I set my mood and practice in different style and choose which I found the best. Yeah, everything is not that much that very easy, but if we maintain our professionalism, it goes well and smooth. And the most important thing is we should be liking to perform the tasks that allocated for the individuals. Well, role practicing for me is no restrictions because I enjoy practicing in any place or any situations whenever possible, and I love it. I like Nana Patekar for his extraordinary performance. My most difficult scene would be when all the artists are tired and lack of coordinations while on shoot. Basically, I always focus on the scene to act naturally because kidnapping is such a scene which is again little important to focus on the reality. Well, I always love to maintain my body as ready-made. But as you have asked me, I would say it depends on the feasibility and the demands. So accordingly, I go along with it. Yes, many lots messages, but I would say few. Number one, as I'm a villain by profession, but not by nature. Next, I would take this opportunity to show my gratitude and hearty thanks to everyone for the support. The viewers, the entire teams of any funds. Please like and share.